YouTube, I'm here with Kevin today. Kevin, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
And we're going carp fishing. And we're going in our local creek, and hope you guys enjoy it. We're hopefully gonna get some hog carp today, so yup. Like, comment, subscribe to this video, and tell your friends. I just hooked into one. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. He's going upstream. Oh my gosh, yes, guys. This is my first carp. Oh my gosh. Kevin, just leave it out. Come on. This is on an ultralight rod. This is a 4-pound test. Kevin, get your line back out there, Kev. They're still there. I gotta tighten up my drag. I can't get him in. And this carp isn't even that big. It's not that big. Oh my God, Mark, I wish you were here. But oh, someone didn't want to come today. Yes. Oh, my line broke. You know what, just get back in the water. Woo! Oh my God! Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. My line broke though. Okay, the tip is you just gotta leave it out there. Yeah. Oh my God, that's so cool. Yeah, snap my line though. Next one I want to get a picture of, okay? But Kevin, I found out, I grabbed mine and reeled him in.
How much corn pieces do you use?
I used 3 and just cast it out there. I need to find a new hook. Dude, those carp fight hard. But Kevin, since we're using such light line, we have to, we can't bring them like into shore. We're just gonna have to grab them when they're in the water, okay?
Right.
Kevin's got one. That's a carp. That's a carp. Oh yeah. Oh wait, it might cross my line. Reel up more. Come down here, come down here. Reel up and come down here. Reel up. Keep reeling. And get ready. I know. That's it. Oh. Oh my gosh. I think that's a good one. Yeah, it is a good one. Walk backwards. Walk backwards now and try to grab him. I really don't want to snap. It's like very light line. a good one. Trying to get him in. I really don't want to break it again.
Alright, let's go.
My phone's in my pocket. Could you grab it? Could you get a picture of me and then
Can I
picture
hold it?
you? Yeah, but first me.
It's mine.
First me, Kev. I didn't get a picture of mine. Come on, Kev.
I'm looking at it. Say cheese.
Is that good?
Yeah, that one.
I'll get one of you. Wait, let me put my hands. Yeah, Kev.
We have more hooks, right?
We have a lot more, but
Good thing it wasn't a weight.
here, grab him. Grab him. Put one finger in his mouth. I don't know where the hook is, so yeah. Just put one finger in his mouth. Come on.
Ew, this is fishy.
One finger in his mouth. One finger on his belly. Come on. Hold it out. Try to. So guys, we are carp fishing still, and that's the highway back there, and we're just leaving this trash spot right here. We're in a good spot, then we moved to a bad spot. I don't know why we did that. Now we're scaling cliffs.
But we did see a bunch of fish.
Yeah, we did see a bunch of fish here, but they're not willing to bite. But yeah, so now we're gonna go hit up a new spot. Hopefully get some more carp. Oh, I got one. No, how? Did it snap it?
Yes.
Oh, it better not have snapped mine.
Like that.
Did it snap mine? Oh no. You don't think it did?
Dang it. We got enough hooks.
We have 2 left. Great. I think it's a good one. Oh my goodness. This is gonna take a while.
Here, do this. Pull back. Go forward and go in. Pull back. Go forward.
I know, Kev, but these are, this is on very light tackle. He's coming this way. Thing is, I don't want to snap off.
Hey, want me to fight him and you could like maybe get it?
Yeah, I'll do that once he comes close. Because for now, I want to manage it so then we can manage our hooks. Can't believe he was all the way down there. I don't know how big this one is. No!
No!
You didn't seem like you cared at all. Got one. Remember, watch the hooks, watch the hooks. The wormwood of blocker tactic actually worked. A nice one. Bring him up, bring him up. Just kind of keep doing it. Oh. Okay. Watch it. Go ahead, Carp. Come on. Carp! We can't have it break again. I need to go check if I have one on. Okay.
That's a nice one. That's a big one. Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, that's like an average size, right?
Yeah. Average size. This is a good size.
Pretty good size.
Stop the carp. Oh, I'm gonna just. Got him. There you go. Get a picture. I also want to get a GoPro picture. Okay, let me get, yeah, that's good. Woo! See him? He's fine. They're trash fish. Well, he was mean to me.